Welcome to Tubify, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8, rumored to be the ultimate adventure smartwatch. With groundbreaking upgrades and features you won't believe, this could be a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Stick around till the end, because you won't want to miss what makes this watch truly extraordinary. A redesigned display for better visibility. One of the most anticipated upgrades in the Garmin Fenix 8 is its improved display technology. Rumors suggest the watch will feature an AMOLED screen with higher resolution and better sunlight visibility than its predecessor. This upgrade will make it easier to read maps, stats, and notifications during outdoor activities, regardless of lighting conditions. Enhanced battery life with solar technology. The Fenix series has always been known for its impressive battery life, and the Fenix 8 is expected to raise the bar even higher. With advanced solar charging capabilities, users could enjoy extended battery life during long adventures. Speculations point to up to 45 days of usage in smartwatch mode with optimized solar performance, making it ideal for explorers who spend weeks off the grid. Performance boost with a new processor. The Fenix 8 is expected to debut a more powerful chipset, offering faster processing speeds and smoother operation. This new hardware will enhance the performance of Garmin's in-depth fitness metrics, making features like VO2 max calculations, recovery time suggestions, and training load assessments even more accurate and responsive. Expanded smartwatch features. While the Fenix series has traditionally focused on fitness and outdoor activities, the Fenix 8 is rumored to bring more smartwatch functionality to the table. This could include improved music storage, expanded third-party app support, and advanced notification management. Integration with smart home systems and payment platforms like Garmin Pay could also see enhancements. Sustainability and eco-friendly upgrades. Garmin has been making strides towards sustainability, and the Fenix May 8th reflect these efforts. With recycled materials in its construction and energy-efficient components, the watch could align with environmentally conscious values. Solar charging capabilities further emphasize Garmin's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint while offering practical benefits to users. Advanced health and wellness tracking. Garmin is likely to expand its health tracking capabilities with the Fenix 8. In addition to features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and blood oxygen level measurements, the watch may introduce blood pressure monitoring and hydration tracking. These new tools could provide deeper insights into overall wellness, helping users maintain peak physical performance during intense activities. Upgraded GPS and navigation tools. The Fenix 8 is rumored to include next-generation GPS technology with improved accuracy and faster satellite connectivity. This could be especially beneficial for hikers, trail runners, and climbers. Enhanced topographic maps, real-time weather overlays, and new multiband GNSS support are also expected, offering unparalleled navigation capabilities for adventurers in remote locations. Durability for extreme environments. Garmin watches are known for their ruggedness, and the Fenix 8 will likely take durability to the next level. The watch is rumored to feature a titanium-reinforced casing with a sapphire crystal display for ultimate scratch resistance. Additionally, it may come with military-grade water resistance and better temperature tolerance, ensuring it performs flawlessly in extreme environments. Thanks for exploring the exciting features of the Garmin Fenix 8 with us. If you're as hyped about this smartwatch as we are, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Tubify, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews. Until next time, stay curious and stay tuned for more tech insights.